Meanwhile, as this BRICS investor is making a big bet in Canada, the Canada Pension Plan seems to prefer to invest outside of Canada in a big way. In fact, if you look at their November 15th press release, they have reported on more than 30 investments, and only one appears to be in Canada, and that appears to be a global AI fund, which can also invest globally. Now, I hear often that CPP needs to go internationally to find the best returns. I will just note for the period ended September 30th, 2024, that the reported 5-year annualized return for the base CPP was 8%, based on a strategy that includes more than 30% of the fund being allocated to foreign private equity and debt. Meanwhile, the Canadian Insider Index, which is focused on Canadian public market companies, returned 18.6% on an annualized total return basis, a 10% difference. Now, does the CPP really need to invest so much money in foreign, private, and typically illiquid assets? What do you think? Well, thanks for watching, and check out the description for some helpful links associated with this video and links to our website tutorial.